Slowpoke is widely considered one of the best early game last hitting defenders in Pokemon Unite, but most people play him with a massive handicap. They stand still, they charge their water gun for 2 seconds, and they pray they will be getting the last hit. But what if I told you that you could fire that max damage shot instantly without ever standing still? Today I am showing you the trick, a hidden mechanic that lets you store your power and fire a max damage water gun with a single tap. Firstly, let's see how we normally use the water gun or slowpoke. Here you can see we first stand still, we charge it and we shoot. Here you can see it deals a damage of like 700. I again do it. You can see it deals a damage of 700, and you can also see like that if I only press the water gun, it deals the damage of 780, and if I charge it completely, it deals damage of 760, which is kind of double of the damage. Here is the secret, you don't have to charge it fully. In fact, as soon as the bar appears, drag your cursor to the cancel area and let go. Here you can see I didn't charge it fully, but still just by tapping the water gun button, it deals like almost a double damage. I will again show it how to do it. Here you can see it again deals the damage of 630, which is almost double. The things you have to keep in mind while using this trick is doing this trick in having this type of cancel button is quite hard. Therefore you have to go to the controls button and select this cancel button, this type, the slide away. By using this you can cancel your water gun very easily. Here you can see I will show you. I cancelled it. You can see I can do this trick a lot more easily than I was doing in the initial cancel button. Here you can see I can do this and this cancel. I can do this. By using this trick you can last it a lot more easier in slowpoke, because the opponents will be thinking that you are just clicking the water gun move and not charging it, so the damage will not be that much. So it will be a surprise last hit of the slowpoke. Here I will show you again. I do this. Here you can see it is dealing that much damage. Like if I click just, you can see it is only dealing 380 damage, but if I charge it, you can see it is dealing 632 damage. I would like to add something is that if you want to make this trick a bit more useful, you have to make sure, like if I do this and I am doing this, if you want to make this a bit more accurate, so that when you are tapping the water gun button, the water gun is hitting to the farm only and not the opponent Pokemon, you have to make sure that you are going to the settings menu. In the controls button, opponent locking on priority, here you can see it is here, it's showing lowest remaining HP value. If you are selecting this, by this you can select, by this the water gun will only target to the farm and not to the opponent Pokemon. There are some pro tips and limitations which I want to cover is that the first is the timer. The stored charge lasts for a few seconds. If you wait too long without using it, the icon will stop flashing and you will have to prime it again. Second, don't overcharge. The beauty of this trick is the speed. Practice the tap and cancel motion until it is the muscle memory. The third is the level 4 spike. Remember, this is the most effective at level 1 through 3. Once you evolve into Slowbro and pick Scald or Surf, your playstyle changes, but this trick ensures you get to level 4 faster than anyone else in the lane. Lastly, this is kind of a micro tag that separates a master rank Slowbro from a casual player. It's small, it's subtle, but it wins lanes. If this helps you secure more farms, hit that like button and subscribe. Let me know in the comments who is the most annoying Pokemon to lane again. I will see you in the next one.